Hey guys, I'm back. In the last video, I said I was gonna do the airplane, building the airplane thing. So I'm gonna be building the airplane. I'm not gonna show you how to do it. I'm just gonna be right back when I'm actually done. I actually already said this before, but like I forgot, like I deleted it. So yeah, this is the second try. Yeah, I'll see you when I'm done building it. Oh, finally, after like 10 hours, almost, I finally built it. I built the first part of it. Look, I built the first part of it, and then it just, and then I tried to put the wheels on, and then it just suddenly broke again. I'm like, oh my goodness. And then after like an hour, I built it. This looks so cool. This is all metal, guys. I just love using these things, except my hands is really sweaty. Look at how hot it is. Look, it's just so sweaty. It's so red as well. So yeah, so this is an airplane. I built it in 1 hour. That took a lot of time because it's so small. So small. Yeah guys, this is gonna be the end of this video, and bye bye.